Hey, welcome back Flavour Chasers to another fun-filled episode of Flavour Station. Now, being as the hash browns video, which you can view by clicking that thing there, has got nearly 300,000 views, and you lot love Mackies. So we're gonna smack up Mackies again with McDonald's fries. Hope you like it, subscribe. Bow.
Flavour Station.
McDonald's fries, full of MSG, salt and quite anemic. Yeah, they might taste good, but they're tricking you. We're going to start with some spuds, and the spuddy buddy. Peel your spuds. These are Maris Pipers. We're going to make some nice, sweet, crispy on the outside, just soft and just lovely fries out of these lovely potatoes. We're going to peel it. I know it's not very appealing, but we must do it to bombo. So what we're going to do, speed that up. Yes, man. Peeler, no messing blood. Chop the bottom off. That gives you a nice dash that way. That gives you a nice flat square fry. I know it's wasteful, but look, you're talking 5mm straight down. Control your knife. Keep your thumb behind. No messing. Slicer. Lovely jubbly. One portion of fries. That's all we're coming with. Dash that way. Yeah, boy. Now flip it over. Stack them up. And then chop. Chop out the rotted something. See it there? Yes, man. Chop it. Yes, that'll do nicely. There, fry size. What fry size? Yes. Now check your oil. Not quite hot enough. Now that's hot enough. Bang them in. Look at that. See the sizzle? High heat. We're going to control the heat in this pan. You're going to have to turn it down. But also, make sure you mix that. Because you know what? Them fish stick together and go friend one another. You'll be making hash browns. Get yourself a deep bowl with some blue roll. Nah, kitchen roll, anything. Just ready. You want to remove as much fat as possible. See them there? They're floating. They're crispy. See when they're floating and they're golden on the outside? That's how you know they're done, man. That's how you know you've got the fries. Proper things in the sunflower oil. No MSG. Just a sweet Maris Piper, King Edward. Yes, man. Now, look at all the fat that's come off them. Rah, boy. Salt. Pink Himalayan. Less sodium. You know the steez. Give them a mix. Quickly! Yes, man. Mix the fries. You want them quite salty, but, you know. Now it's time to troll McDonald's. That don't look right. Now that's better. Stick some blue roll in the bottom. Catch any excess rubbish. Well, kitchen roll. Look at that. Fries, man. Large too. Just make sure you squash your blue roll down. Look at that. Fries, man. At home. They're sick as well. Proper sweet, crunchy. Just, some are all soft, some are crunchy. Look at that one on the left. Golden. Not saturated, just lovely, no MSG. Flavour Station, you know where it's at. Like and subscribe.
Flavour Station.